I have 1.5 cups of peas in here. They were frozen, I thawed them. If you're using fresh peas, you're gonna have to parboil them, okay? As always, this recipe will be underneath the video in the description box with a link for you to go print it on my website. I'm gonna add 1/4 cup of pine nuts. You can use walnuts if you prefer. 2 large minced garlic cloves. 1/4 cup of chopped basil leaves. 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. We're gonna process this now. I'm gonna add 1/3 cup of olive oil in a thin drizzle. Now I'm adding 1/3 cup of grated Parmesan cheese. Little bit of black pepper, let's say 1/2 teaspoon. 1/2 teaspoon of salt, we'll taste it after it's done. That's it, guys. Here's your pea pesto. This will last you in the fridge up to 5 days, and you can freeze it up to 3 months, guys. You can serve it with any type of pasta you want. You can even eat it on toast. It's delicious. Next week, I'm gonna publish a video on sweet potato gnocchi that we're gonna make, and we'll serve it with this. Wonderful. Let's taste it. Oh my gosh. Guys, this is beautiful. You've got sweetness from the pea. You got the herby flavor from the basil, the garlic, the cheese in there, a little bit of tang from the lemon. It's a beautiful, beautiful sauce. Thank you for watching. I'm gonna see you soon.